I would like to show you how to make reels on Instagram. It's easier. Just go to the reels option and then you will see the options like audio, length, speed, effects and touch up and video layout. I am going to change the length of the video to 30 seconds. You can change it 15 seconds or to 30 seconds, but I want to change it to the 30 seconds as I want it. So after selecting the time, you can next add a song to your video. It's very easy. Just go to the music option and you can search your favorite song or you can use the default song suggested by Instagram. This is the first song is Stay by Justin Bieber, and also if you can search whatever the song you like, but I'm deciding that I will be not searching any songs. I will be using just the default songs suggested by Instagram. So I am selecting the Stay, the first song showing up on my screen. So this is the part of the song selected. Whatever you want you can select. You can change the part also. Next you will have to tap the done. Thus the song got added after tapping the done. And next I want to change the filter of the video, as no one likes the natural filter, or someone like, but I want to use a filter. So go to the 3-star option and there you can see lots of filters popping up on your screen. I want to search other filters, then I can go to the magnify glass option at the corner. You can type the name of the filter that you like to add to your screen. But if you don't want, then you can come back to your default filters and select one of them. I'm deciding I will add the first filter like this, and this is added after tapping. Then this filter is added to my video, and there is a color pencil in front of me, and I want to make the video with this color pencils as it looks very attractive, as a lot of colors are here. You just tap the circle and your video here. Okay, it has been recording. Just I want to stop the video at this part, means I don't want to make it lengthy because I just want to show you how to do it. So I will stop my video here. Okay, done. Next you will see at the bottom of your screen as preview option. You can see what video was recorded on your screen, whether it was good or bad. So by preview is just to view your video once again what you recorded. And here you can see cross, you can see arrow with underline, you can see change of filter by different methods, and then by filters, and before filters there is in record option, and then stickers, then marker line, and then adding of letters. So I just wanna share it to my story or reels, whatever I like. Then you will have to tap the next option at the bottom, reels and stories. If you want to post your video to reels, then select the reels option and share it. And if you want to select your video to be added to your stories, then go to the stories option simply and share it. Or if you want to select it later, then just save it as save draft.